Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by Biotech company Emyria Ltd, ASX code EMD. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the Managing Director of Emyria, Dr. Michael Winlo. Hi, Mike.
Hi, Matt. How are you?
I'm good. Okay, so as I understand it, Emyria is seeking to mix psychedelic drug development with a clinical care model to address depression and post-traumatic stress disorder. I know you haven't got a drug available yet, you're still under development, but tell me, what evidence is there to support the theory that drugs like MDMA, typically an illegal party drug, I think, might eventually be effective in treating mental health?
Yeah, well, there's some terrific research being concluded in the United States right now looking at MDMA-assisted therapy for post-traumatic stress disorder. 2 major phase 3 trials are showing some terrific results for patients with difficult-to-treat disease. Similar trials are being done with psilocybin for treatment-resistant depression, all pointing to the promise of these treatments.
Okay, so I understand you're undertaking your own trial of the drug MDMA to treat post-traumatic stress disorder. What stage is it at?
Yeah, it's important to see if these results that have been shown overseas can translate to Australia. We have ethics approval, trained team, staff ready to go. Now we're just waiting on drug supply to commence dosing.
Okay, well, tell me about drug supply. Where do you get MDMA from? Do you need approval for it? I guess it's hard to get hold of, right?
It is very difficult to get hold of. We've got the TGA approvals to import it. We've looked around the world for the patient-ready material. We have some secured, and now just waiting for it to arrive in the country.
Now, I know Emyria just acquired an organisation known as the PAX Centre, PAX. What is it? How much did you pay for it? And what does it bring to the table for you?
Yeah, PAX Centre's a remarkable group of individuals, all focused on the treatment of psychological trauma, psychiatrists, mental health nurse counsellors, broadens our clinical footprint. We paid $1.7 million, most of that in stock, small cash component, and we're ready to provide these studies.
How big is the mental health market? Have you got any numbers on it?
Yeah, just looking at post-traumatic stress disorder alone. In Australia, estimated about 1 million Australians suffering PTSD in the last 12 months. We think half of those may be eligible for MDMA-assisted therapy. Globally, the market's $219 billion.
And very quickly, what's the next bit of news flow for the company?
Yeah, look to get our patients started on the trial. We then hope to engage payers to make this treatment affordable, and then we'll scale up from there.
Michael Winlo from Emyria Ltd, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB, 3AW and 4BC websites and click the Public Companies tab.